everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton, and today I'll be showing you how you can steal, or more like figure out, your competitors' keywords. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're interested in more content like this. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know to join my Facebook group down in the description. I also will have some free templates available for you guys, so I really hope that that's helpful. I plan to do a giveaway once I get to 1,000 subscribers, or hopefully I do get there at some point. I am super thankful. I am over 100, and I just started this YouTube channel almost a month ago. I think it's been about 3 weeks so far, so I'd greatly appreciate the support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you're interested in being notified once I plan to do a giveaway. Alright, let's get started. So you're just going to want to head on over to Amazon. I already have a tab opened and I searched for elephant composition notebook. I figured this would be a good topic to do since it is a more popular niche to get into. There are 50,000 results, as you can see. So if I was going to make a notebook for this, I would want to go into a little bit more detail, maybe do some more keyword research and try to find one that doesn't have so much competition. But for the sake of this video, this will be perfectly fine. So you just want to go to Amazon, search in whatever topic or title your book is, and then you want to download Helium 10. I already have the extension up here, so I'm just going to click on Helium 10. I currently use the free version, so I do have limitations, unfortunately, but that's perfectly fine. If you don't want to pay for it, the free version does work, and it is helpful. So you want to hit the X-ray version, and this little pop-up will come up. Now with the free version, you're only allowed to check books twice a day. I just learned this the other day when I was running these keyword searches, and then it told me I reached my limit. So if you have the free version, just keep that in mind. You can only use this twice per day. And also, you're only allowed to run one book at a time for a keyword search. So on this left-hand side, you see those little circles here. I'm just going to click one to search. But if you have the pro version or the paid version, you could click multiple of these and search them all at the same time. But I only have the free version, so I'm going to click a notebook that would be similar to what I would create. You definitely want to make sure you're not selecting something that isn't related to your book. Sometimes there will be random things in here. I'm not sure if that's because of certain keywords they put in or what, but you want to make sure whatever you're searching is actually similar to what you're creating. So I'm just going to click on it and then hit Run Keyword Search. And it's going to open up this new tab, and it's going to load and bring me all of this data from that one book, and it will show me all of the keywords that are used to search the product, the search volume. Helium 10 gives their own sort of rating for it. And it's just a really helpful tool. The pro version definitely gives you a lot more to deal with, but the free version is incredibly helpful as well. So if I scroll down here, it will tell me the total keywords, organic keywords, what Amazon recommends. This is their own IQ score, search volume trends. They give so much data and information. It's incredible. It is just amazing. So it's definitely a useful tool. It can get a bit overwhelming. You can filter the data though. So you see how this is greater than 70,000 competing products. I could change the filters and I can make it so it only shows ones that have like less than 1,000 or things like that. So it can definitely be easier to use when you use the filters. But on the left-hand side will be the keyword phrases. And I'm just going to expand it a bit so I can see them all a bit better. So for example, this keyword down here, Wide World Notebook for Kids, it has a good search volume, 328, that's not bad, and less than 1,000, so that's great competition, or about 1,000. And I would just keep scrolling down and try to find some keywords that would work. This one isn't really related to the book if I'm making an elephant one, so that wouldn't work. Seems like this is a bit more of a competitive niche, so I'd maybe want to do my own research to figure out some other keywords, or if you select multiple notebooks, you definitely would get better data. I try not to use keywords that have more than 1,000 or so search results, but obviously you're more than welcome to do what you would like. But this is exactly how you can see what other people are using and what keywords are working for them. So I think Helium 10 is a wonderful tool. Again, I only have the free version. So see up here the filters, right now they're locked, so I'm not sure it would even let me use the filters since I have a free version. I'll try and see if it gives me a little thing here. Yep, so when the free version, you unfortunately can't use the filters, but the main part is looking at the keywords, so it'll take a little bit extra time using the free version. But that's perfectly okay. I still think this is super helpful, and you can do this with any sort of niche that you're looking into. Just go to Amazon, type it in, and then use the extension up here on the top right. I have a Windows computer. I'm not entirely sure how it would look on a Mac, but I think if you just go to Google and type in Helium 10 extension, that it will come up, and it's free to download. So I really hope that this was helpful. This is just another way to find keywords for your books. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, please feel free to comment them below. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly means so much to me, and you'll definitely be notified whenever I do a giveaway if I get to 1,000 subscribers, which I really hope that I get to do, and I love all of the support. You guys are amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.